So this is the FSSAI records. This is master list of record in which approved supplier list is there, pest control record is there, water tank cleaning record is there. So all mandatory record has been listed down here. Please go through. And in the right side, we have also mentioned the frequency at the duration, frequency or duration at which you have to update the record. Okay, so take a printout of this and start writing. Let's see the formats. Type the date, for example 16 October 2024, and write the name of the oil, for example groundnut oil or refined sunflower oil. Quantity of oil taken for frying for a day, it will be 20 liters or 30 liters, so according to your usage. And also and also write the discarded amount at the end of the day. For example, it may be a 5 liter or 10 liter or 15 or 10 liter or 15 liter. Okay, accordingly write here. And date and mode of disposable of used cooking oil. So it will be Ruco. Ruco is a oil aggregator, discarding oil aggregator appointed by government. So just Google it. You can find the nearest Ruco aggregator. So call him, and he will come and keep a can in your restaurant kitchen and dump the discarding oil on daily basis into that can. So once the can is getting full, he will come. He will weigh the can and uh, produce a challan, and he will take the oil. So he has to sign. So how much of oil he has taken, and on which date, and he has to sign. He will also issue a challan, file it. The second record is the meat inventory record. Just write the serial number, date. For example, chicken. Meat name. For example, meat name is raw raw chicken. The date is, let's type it's 15/10/24. Okay. So opening balance, let's not type now. So received quantity is 100 kg. Issued quantity is 80 kg. And the total quantity now, let us not type, I will tell you. So the balance from 180 has been issued to kitchen. That balance will be 20 kg. You have to sign here. Okay. So for example, the next day, 16/10/2024, same raw chicken. The opening balance will be the 20 kg. The opening balance will be the 20 kg, and the received quantity will be the 100 kg. You will be receiving whatever from the meat supplier. Okay. The total quantity will be 120 kg. Yesterday's balance and today's receiving. So you are again issuing some 100 kg to the kitchen. The total balance will be, again, it will be 20 kg. So same, the next day you will be typing 17/10/2024. So raw chicken. So you have to write accordingly as explained. Okay. So the next is you should keep the meat inventory for chicken separately, mutton separately, and seafood separately. Okay. Let's go to personal hygiene. Just write the date, put the name of the staff, kitchen staff, or make these two prints. One is for kitchen and one is for dining area. Put the date, write the name of the staff, and check nails, net cap, jewels if he is wearing, uniform neatness. Okay. If it is everything is okay, put tick. Otherwise, put no. If you put no, put take action accordingly and sign here. So here, this is the cleaning log. First, write the month name, and you can see here kitchen, wall, table 1, 2, 3. kitchen wall floor, and stores, walls, floor racks, pot wash, floor walls, etc. And signature. Okay. If everything is, this has to be cleaned on daily basis. Okay. Very simple record. Very, very simple record. If you clean the walls at the night, put tick here. Then if you clean table, put tick here. Same thing. Whenever you clean the end of the day, you have to click here accordingly and sign here. That's the record. This is food temperature on arrival. This is for central kitchen having brands. So put the date, dispatcher sign, and dispatcher time, and the food name from the central kitchen, and food temperature during dispatch, and the food temperature at restaurant. Arrived at food arrived at restaurant time, and receiver's sign and any remarks. For example, I'm putting 16/10/2024. Dispatcher signs who is in the central kitchen, he has to sign here, and he has to sign the food is sent at 10 a.m. on 16/10. And food name is, for example, biryani. Food temperature during dispatch 75 or 80 or 85 degrees centigrade. Okay. Food temperature at restaurant 80 or 70 or 75. Accordingly, whatever it is, you have to write it here. Food arrived at temperature at restaurant time. So it has dispatched at 10 a.m. from the central kitchen. It would have reached at 11 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. or 12 p.m. So you have to write there and sign here. That's all. This is for only the branches, the brand which is possessing central kitchen. Approved supplier list. Write serial number and raw material name, and if the supplier is supplying, for example, AKS supplier, and his contact number is something like this. Okay. And if he is the supplier for rice, put rice. If he is supplying for pulses, oil, if same supplier is supplying all the raw material, right? AKS, or put one time as AKS in the bracket, holding all the raw material is enough. Okay. So maintain for all the raw materials whichever we are using. This is a one time record. Whenever you are changing the supplier, that time only you should change this sheet. So this is very simple record. Maybe once in 6 months or once in a year, it will be you will be changing, because very often we are not going to change the supplier. If you are changing the supplier, then we have to change the this sheet accordingly. So this is a pest control record, serial number, date, tick if the pest control has been done for cockroach, tick if it is flies, tick if it is mosquitoes, tick it for rodents, tick it for lizard, and write the chemical name used, because the chemical which he is using should be approved by the state government agricultural department. Ask him the state government agriculture department approval letter and see whether the same chemical is mentioned in that letter also. If it is not, don't ask him to use that chemical in the for the pest control. Okay, then ask him to sign, and you have to sign here, and if any remarks is that, please record it here. So this is a water tank record. Is very, very simple. Write a simple serial number, cleaning date and time, and signature. This may record only once in a month, or twice, once in twice, 2 months once you may need to write this record. Once in 2 months maybe record. It may be required. Thawing record. I want to include one more food name. So you also change there. So serial number and food name is raw chicken. Thawing date 16/10/2024. Time is 9 a.m. I started the thawing. I I took the frozen chicken from the freezer and I started putting into the running water at 9 a.m. So thawing end date. The same the same date I'm putting here, and the time will be some 10 a.m. 10 a.m. or 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. or only not exactly, okay, 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. So total hours, actually it is total minutes, because thawing has to be completed within 90 minutes. So six right at 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. So mode of thawing is running water, if you are doing with running water, or if you are doing with refrigeration method, so you can also mention 0 to 4 degrees centigrade. Here refrigerate, here you can write it refrigeration method 0 to 4 degrees centigrade, you can write if you are following refrigerator method. So but you have to mention the time taken, time started and time end, and the total minutes it has taken to complete the thawing. Balance food record, date you have to write here, food name, for example 16/10/2024. Food name is barbecue of done chicken. Initial temperature is 75 degrees centigrade. Time at 4 p.m. and time taken to reach 21 is 5 p.m. Total hours is 1 hour, and food kept at 0 to 5 degree. Yes, you have to write yes. Same thing you should write for tandoor. You can write for shawarma, or maybe shawarma is not be stored, so don't write that. So should not be stored, so don't write. So of barbecue and tandoor or any Chinese food, if off done is there. Okay, so it's a very simple record only. Okay, now is storage temperature perishable food items. Put the date, food name like milk, milk, curd, paneer, cheese. Storage temperature is 0 to 4, 0 to 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, like that. You have to sign here, that's all. Training record, you have to write the serial number, date, name of the staff. Topic name will be food poison, or topic name will be cutting board, color code. Topic name will be 3 by 3 equal to clean kitchen concept. Okay, so whoever taken that training, ask him to write the name here. Okay, so this is a vehicle cleaning record, very simple record. So we have to inspect on daily basis this Zomato Swiggy vehicle bag is clean or not. Put the date, vehicle number, and your sign if inspection done, and his sign weekly he has to clean that container and he has to sign it here. Hot kitchen record. So this is hot kitchen veg food record. Date, put date 16/10/2024, and put gobi, Manchurian, or or paneer tikka. Write the temperature, maybe 68 or 70 or 72. Time will be 2 minutes. 2 minutes, right? Sign. Or whatever the time is exactly taking, but not less than 2 minutes. Okay. So same thing for hot kitchen. Put the date, Write the non-veg like barbecue, shawarma. So temperature will be 75. So time taken will be some 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes also. So put temperature as 70 or whatever the temperature is coming, but not less than 75 degrees centigrade. Okay. So put as 3 minutes. Okay. You can sign here. Buffet temperature. Whenever you do buffet, put the date here, food name, biryani, then mutton, gravy, chicken, barbecue, chicken gravy. So you have to write the temperature not less than 65 degrees centigrade, because the temperature has to be maintained in the chef and dish during the buffet more than 65 degrees. Okay. So write 70. See the temperature and write accordingly, properly, correctly. 70, 75, like this. Okay. So at what time you have seen? 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. So it's like, so for desserts like gulab jamun, it is 2 degrees centigrade, 0 to 4, 2 degrees centigrade, and time will be 2 ppm, 2 p.m. or accordingly. So frozen ice cream will be there. Temperature will be